Triple X, look, I'm shooting suppressed. Pull the knife out and put it to your neck. My flow still.
What's up? First off, if you don't already got it, grab you some stock footage off of Adobe Stock. It offers a wide variety of licensable content that's affordable in a pinch. Next, we'll hit up playground.com for some AI assistance. Using text prompts, you can work at getting some pretty amazing creations. I'm going to grab a prompt for a dark decayed room and a window combo. Moving on, if you don't already, grab you a green screen off of Amazon. They usually have it for the low. When recording, it's okay to use your cell phone if it's a good quality, or grab you a decent DSLR if you got the budget. Get your budget right. Foundry Nuke is my go-to for the next situation, but I also recommend Adobe After Effects. We'll have more vids in it later. Rotoscoping is like cutting out a picture, except it can be used frame by frame for videos. More on that later too. Nuke is a great way to keep green screens and color correct. Slap it all together and voila, that's how JeaLou5 did it.